good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Of course, I'm starting off my morning with the usual, a tall glass of green juice. And if you're new to my channel, my green juice have the usual apple, celery, ginger, lemon, and cucumber. 5 simple, easy, quick ingredients. Throw into my juicer, and all of that give me 1 glass every single morning. It's half a cucumber, 1 apple, 1 long stalk of celery or 2 small stalks, 1 apple, a little piece of ginger about 2 inches, and half a lemon, and that is perfect. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well. I'm in the kitchen about to get breakfast done for the family while the lounge around about to roll on the bed. Sarah is up, everybody's up this morning. So on the menu this morning for the family, I am making some banana pancakes, and it's just a pancake mix that I throw in here. I didn't make it from scratch. The only thing that I did was add a banana to it and some butter, melted butter, and that's it. And then I'm gonna do this with some eggs and let them have a good breakfast. It's Easter Sunday. Happy Easter Sunday, you guys. Happy Easter week. So yeah, that's what's going on here. Still in quarantine. It doesn't feel like Easter. Yesterday I had to be on social media to remember that it was Good Friday. I didn't remember it was Good Friday at all. That's how crazy this quarantine is going. But anyway, we're gonna make the best of today. We have some things planned for the day, so we're going to go through the motion of those. I'm going to finish my first breakfast and finish up breakfast for the family and get on with the day. So enjoy today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch back to work with the fam bam, and let's go see the rest of the family. Say morning to the faves.
Morning, baby. Mama.
Say morning to the faves.
Papa,
Say morning.
I do a challenge.
Yeah, Papa gonna do a challenge.
Yes, but you want
Honey,
to
say morning.
do a challenge with us?
No, I'm making you breakfast, and I'm making you something that you like.
Polenta.
For breakfast.
I already had breakfast.
So I'm making you a second breakfast.
Because you have a little breakfast.
Egg.
Egg and what? Pan.
Cake. I want to go help you.
I already start making it.
But I want to help you.
Okay, you can help me.
I'm going for my steps. I'm going over there.
I know pancake is his favorite, so he will be happy. Sarah, wanna come too? You want some of the green juice?
Yes.
My kids love green juice. My husband doesn't. He have nothing to do with green juice. You gonna drink it off?
I want more.
You want more?
Yes.
Give me some, man. You're drinking out my
I want all of it.
the war with my kids and my green juice.
That smells good. Yeah.
Does it?
Pancake.
That smells
Sarah.
good here.
Come give Mama a kiss. Mwah. Give her some. You finish? wait. Can't say not tasty. Tell her drink it off. Tell her drink off your juice, Sarah. I can't believe Tell her drink off the juice.
Because of the green
Il
juice.
met sur la tête. Les mains en l'air.
He always wants to peep you once he start laughing. He's so funny. Hi, princess. Exactly. Breakfast. Sorry, Tyler, go eat your pancake. Got Sarah eating pancake. Mama.
Is what you add in it? You add the banana?
There was an overripe banana in the fridge.
Is banana that tasty in the pancake done?
Here, Sarah. Ah?
Normally in there.
Here. You don't like it?
No. I'm just asking. I was trying to find. No, that's good. That's good.
Very, very yummy, Papa. This Nutella or sirop d'érable in your pancake.
Hi guys, it's Sunday. Happy Easter Sunday, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. It's Sunday, we're home, no church, nothing today. So without choice, but we're still gonna celebrate it. We celebrate it by a great lunch. We have a great breakfast, and now we're gonna have a great lunch. Oh yes, that's just the beginning. That's just the beginning. And somebody here in the kitchen making something's good.
Yep, I'm making salad for baby and I. And then I'm going to do fries for Tyler while Sarah is taking a nap. Sarah just went down for a nap. She's tired. She already had lunch. So good on her, girl. So it's big people time. Hopefully you guys are having a good Easter Sunday. I know many of us Jamaicans would be in church today or wherever you're from. I know a lot of people would opted for church this morning, but many of us have to do church online. Many of us do church on our own, and some don't do church at all. So that's what we're doing right now, barbecuing outside. And we're gonna chill. Alright, so salad is ready for baby and I. Avocado, tomatoes and lettuce, and we're gonna have chicken and sausages with that. nap. Somebody is awake from their nappy nap. Somebody's awake. Somebody's awake. Somebody's awake. Hello. Hello. Somebody's awake. Oh, don't hit your face. Look at that just wake face. Look at that just wake lip. Look at that just wake lip. And that just wake face. And that just wake face. And that just wake face. Careful, no, don't give her that thing. You will stick her in her eye. That just wake face. And that just wake. That just wake face. That just wake smile. That just wake face. That's my girl. My girl is up from her nap. Had a good nap? Had a good nap? Yes, mama. Mwah. You see, that's your guilty face. That is your guilty face when you're about to do something naughty. Yes, that's your guilty face. Where you going? That's your guilty face when you're about to do something naughty. No. You think you're easy? No, Sarah. No, mama trying to work. Excuse me, I am trying to work here.
Mama, look what I did here.
What you did?
You see? Come and look.
I am looking.
But it's round, but you don't see it.
Oh, you use the thing to mark on the carpet?
Those to mark on the carpet.
Don't do that. Be careful what you're doing.
I just do that.
And
Look.
I said be careful.
Mama, look
Yes,
what
Mama.
I did. Look, look, look. I just did that.
I saw you. What did you carry for me?
Pancake.
Oh, pancake. What kind of pancake is it?
Lettuce.
It's lettuce flavor pancake.
Yes.
And what else you tell me that was in it?
That there, I put a little bit of some magic light in there. And that when Mama eat it, is going to become a strawberry flavor. Is because of the light. Is because of the magic light. Is a lot red.
Oh, so the magical red light becomes strawberry flavor.
Yes.
Alright, I'll be sure to tell you how it tastes when I eat it. Thank you for my lettuce strawberry magic light pancake.
Okay. It's just
So
a
proud.
type of pancake.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate the thought. Yes, proud. Look at this one. You want some of my pancake? You first gonna try? You first gonna try it and tell me how it is.
It's not dairy pancake. Or that,
You're eating the plate.
the syrup
Mama don't like syrup with her pancake.
But it's vanilla syrup.
Okay, vanilla syrup because you know Mama like vanilla.
Yes.
A big girl. A big girl ain't giving my legs a break.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
What did you say? Why you have to be jumping around? You can't stay one place. What did you say?
You know what the pancake called?
No, you tell me.
It's called.
Why you have to be jumping around? You can't stay one place.
Jumping. Because there's another word. How it called again? Now I know.
What?
It's called jumping move. I need to make it jump. I'm going to look what it make person do.
That's what it make person do. Which mean you eat too much of it.
No.
That's why you're jumping and can't stop.
No, it's just that showing you.
Tyler, go and have a snack. Sarah, Sarah, you Sarah. You want to see her face? She put her mouth by your ear. She smiled.
I like a boo. I like a boo.
Tyler, you can't do that.
Yeah.
Tyler?
Yeah.
Rabia! Rabia! Je cheval! Je cheval! Watch out, watch out, watch out. Tyler wants his turn.
You want to be on your neck? You want to be on your neck?
Tyler, shh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Je cheval! Je cheval! Stop shouting, you're too loud.
What you want from me?
He want him turn, neck ride. Je cheval! Je cheval!
I have the donkey.
Look at Sarah's face. Sarah, come. Where she is? Attack! 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 Sarah, gone, come!
Sarah.
Non, c'est pas Sarah, c'est un chevalier.
Come, where you go? See, cheval. Come here, Sarah, come, Papa.